Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell and make money on Jumia without leaving the comfort of your home. Now as a matter of fact, it is possible for you to list product and sell product on Jumia without seeing or physically touching this product and make hundreds of thousands of naira on a monthly basis without leaving the comfort of your home. Now when it comes to Jumia, Jumia is one of the biggest e-commerce websites in Africa, and few or little people are actually taking advantage of this. All right, so from the comfort of your home, you can sell product on Jumia and make money easily without stressing yourself. Now if this is something you like to do, if this is a business you like to set up yourself, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so when it comes to Jumia, there are various ways at which you can sell and make money on Jumia. Now as a matter of fact, I'm going to be listing 3 of the popular methods at which you can conveniently sell product on Jumia and make cool money at the end of the month. All right, so the first way at which you can actually make money on Jumia is by selling your personal product. Okay, so that is the first way you can make money on Jumia. So if you are a manufacturer, if you are creating your own personal product, or you have a personal store, a physical store, you could also leverage on Jumia, list your product on Jumia and get additional sales for your products on Jumia. While the second method is by selling wholesale product on Jumia. That is, what you have to do is you have to contact manufacturers, probably from China, then import this product to your country, list the product on Jumia, then make money from it. Now the third method is what I called drop shipping. Now when it comes to drop shipping, you won't be importing this product and you won't be the one creating this product. All you simply need to do is get the pictures of the product you want to sell, upload them on Jumia, and whenever you make a sale for this product, all you simply need to do is you need to rush to the wholesaler, pay them the money, then tell them to help you ship this product to Jumia office. And once the product goes to Jumia office, Jumia is going to help you package it, then sell it to your customer. So your profit when it comes to drop shipping is going to be how much you are selling the product on Jumia versus how much you pay your wholesaler or your manufacturer or your supplier for the product. Okay, so let's take for example, you paid the seller 10,000 naira for the product, and on Jumia you are selling the product for 20,000 naira. So your profit in that is going to be 20,000 naira minus 10,000 naira. So your profit on Jumia is going to be 10,000 naira for the product you are drop shipping. So this is basically how you can do that. Okay, so now let's talk about the first method, which is selling your personal product. All right, so before we go ahead with this, let me quickly show you some of people that are selling their personal product on Jumia and see how well they've been doing for themselves. All right, so let's check the first one out.
My name is Adejuwon Shaloshabu. I've been selling on Jumia for about 3 years. Jumia has been of help to us, firstly because it has given us access to a lot of customers. Jumia being the most visited e-commerce website in Nigeria. Also, they've helped us secure finance that has helped us grow our business. Some of our major achievements as we started selling on Jumia was that in the first 6 months that we started selling, we sold about 5,000 items. Also, on one of the Black Friday events, we had a single day sale and we sold over 100 products. If you want to be successful on Jumia, 2 things I'd say. First of all, I think you have to be customer oriented. And second of all, you have to make quality your hallmark. We hope that Jumia continues to grow and that we also grow along with it.
Alright guys, so as you can see now, Jumia is a one big e-commerce website you want to take advantage of. Now even looking at their monthly traffic here, you will see that they are doing close to 10 million web visits on a monthly basis. Now this is something you want to take advantage of. Okay, so once you've decided that you want to start selling on Jumia, what are the kinds of products that you can sell on Jumia? Okay, so looking at their categories, you'll see that you can sell health and beauty products. Okay, this includes makeup, healthcare, air care, personal care, fragrance, and oral care. Okay, you could also sell products in home and office. So this includes home and kitchen appliances, small appliances, large appliances, home and office furniture. This includes phones and tablets, computing. This could be printers, computers, accessories, electronics, fashion. So just looking at the categories here, you'll be able to see the kinds of product you can sell on Jumia. All right. So now that you've seen this, what you need to do next is to create a Jumia seller account. Okay. So before you can start selling on Jumia, you need to create your own personal Jumia seller account. So I did a video earlier on that. Okay. So I'm going to add the link to the video somewhere around here. So you can just click the link, watch the video, and see how you can set up your own Jumia seller account, or check the description of the video to see how you can create your own Jumia seller account and start selling on Jumia. Okay, so once you've started selling on Jumia, there is one important thing you want to build for your Jumia business, and this is what we refer to as the Jumia seller score. Okay, so the Jumia seller score is very important because this is what the customers visiting the Jumia website is going to see and be able to buy confidently on your Jumia store. Okay. So you want to build your Jumia seller score as much as possible. So what is Jumia seller score and how can it affect your Jumia business? I'm going to add a short video by Jumia themselves on how you can increase and build up your Jumia seller score so you can get more sales from this. All right, so let's check it out.
Jumia is a marketplace, and as a result, customers always have options to choose from a range of products. They choose between products and stores and then choose what is best for them based on trust, safety, relevant information, image, and most importantly, the seller score. The seller score is a tool for building your store's credibility and reputation. The seller score is what informs the customer about your store and product credibility. The seller score is also what reveals the integrity of your store. As a business tool, you can use the seller score to grow your business by boosting your sales. How does this work? Because customers have choices to make, what therefore determines if they buy from you is only and only if you have a great seller score. A great seller score gives the customer the impression that you are reliable, sell quality products, ship products on time, always fulfill your orders, and most importantly, are trustworthy. What then are the criteria for having a good seller score? 1. Low or no cancellation of orders. Ensure you do not cancel your orders. Order cancellation crashes your seller score, amongst other penalties. 2. Ship your orders within 48 hours. This surely will help maintain good seller score. Make this a commitment to keep. 3. Quality product. Sell products that have good quality. Products that are not fake, defective, refurbished, or faulty. Customers are aware of this score as they can readily see it here. So remember, the higher your seller score, the better sales and business growth.
All right, so as you can see, it is definitely important for you to increase your Jumia seller score because this is what is going to help you generate more sales from your Jumia store. Okay, so now that you have everything in place, you've successfully created your Jumia seller account, you've uploaded your product, and you've started selling successfully on Jumia. How can you start fulfilling orders to your customer? Okay, so once you have your first order, how can you set this order to ready to ship so that Jumia can help you deliver the order to your customer? Okay, so this is exactly how you can do that.
Today we will show you how to set orders to ready to ship. On your Seller Center page, a red circle with a number tells you how many new orders you have. Click on Orders and select Manage Orders. All new orders are under pending. You have 24 hours to move it from pending to ready to ship. To do that, Select the item and click on Ready to Ship. Then select your most preferred drop-off location and click Create Package and Next. Then click on Ready to Ship.
So that's it on how you can ship your product on Jumia. So once you start selling on Jumia, how can you finally increase your sales on Jumia by taking advantage of the popular Black Fridays and several orders promotion that is being run on Jumia? Now here's another video on how to do just that.
Today we're going to show you how to boost your sales by joining promotions. Promotions are always displayed at the homepage of your Seller Center account. Check to see the promotions available for the category of product you're selling and click on Join the promotion to reveal the promotion details. Please note that every promotion has its unique criteria such as the minimum discount level and seller score, which every vendor is required to meet if they're to join the promotion. Click on Eligible Products to show a list of your products that qualify to be enlisted for that promotion. Move to the far right corner of the page and click Add to Promotion for all items that you wish to enlist. Click on Submitted Products to see the list of items that has been successfully added to promotion. All items added for promotion will be reviewed by our team to either approve or reject them. So, start making money on Jumia by joining promotions.
Alright, so that being said, let's talk about the second method at which you can make money selling product on Jumia. So the second method at which you can make money selling product on Jumia is by selling retail products on Jumia. That is, you have to buy product from wholesale suppliers, take for example from AliExpress or from Alibaba, then ship this product down to your country, then list the product on Jumia. So once you start getting sales on Jumia, what you want to do is you want to send the product to Jumia office. So once the product gets to Jumia office, they'll be able to package the product on your behalf, then help you ship this product to your customer. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look for hot selling product on AliExpress or Alibaba, then buy this product in cheaper quantity, then send it down to Nigeria. I'm going to add my contact at the description of the video in case you need help with supplier, in case you need help with agent that can help you buy product on Alibaba and AliExpress. Then also I have a crash course, I have a blueprint on how you can start mini importation business. That is how you can ship hot selling product from AliExpress, from China, send it down to your country, then list this product on Jumia if you want, or sell this product personally by yourself. So I'm also going to add the link to the blueprint at the description of the video, so you can just get the blueprint and set it and see how you can quickly set up your mini importation business and also list some of this product on Jumia to get more sales. All right, so that is that on how to sell retail product on Jumia and get good sales for the product you are selling. So finally, the third aspect at which you can make money selling product on Jumia is through the dropshipping method. That is, you don't have to buy the product yourself and you don't have to create the product yourself. All you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be connecting wholesaler to customer. That is, what you want to do in this sense is that you need to look for a product you want to sell. Take for example, there's a product you want to sell on Jumia and you have the product of, and you see the product here in AliExpress. You want to download the picture, come over to Jumia, upload the product picture, put the description, put the title, and whenever you have a sale for this product, what you want to do is you want to look for someone selling this product in your country. Okay, rush to the person, buy the product first, tell them that you want them to help you send the product to Jumia office. You need to give them your Jumia seller account number. Okay, so this will allow Jumia to know that the product is for your account. Okay, so once the product gets to Jumia will be able to package the product and help you send the product directly to your customer. So your profit is going to be how much you pay the seller and how much you are selling the product on Jumia. Okay, so I did a previous video on how to start dropshipping on Jumia already. I'm also going to add a link to the video somewhere around there, so you can just watch the video and see how you can start making money selling dropshipping products on Jumia. Alright, so this is basically how you can make money selling products on Jumia. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet to. And don't forget, I had a link to my e-commerce blueprint, okay, the blueprint to starting your own mini importation business. Okay, so if you want that, just also check the description of the video and get access to the blueprint. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.